Hey guys, my name is Mario Rago with Rago Fabrication. Today we're going to be installing the 3rd gen Tacoma center console molly panel. The first thing we're going to do is pop this chrome bezel down, and we're just going to push. And then we're going to go ahead and unscrew the shifter knob. So the next step we're going to do is remove this piece. We're just going to lift up the center console. It would help you get a plastic pry bar and put it in between the center console here and start whittling your way across to remove the clips. So now that this is loose, we're going to lift it up. We're going to lift up the parking brake and get the boot over the lever. The next thing we're going to do is just remove these clips. So now that we have all this out, what we're going to do is line up our panel, and you're going to want to line it up so it matches the contour here, as well as touching the carpet down here. When it's lined up where you want it, you're going to go ahead and make a Sharpie mark in the holes. So you want to drill the hole to a 1/4 inch bolt. Then you're going to line up your panel, put the first bolt in there. And then drill the rest of the holes. So now we're going to grab the hardware provided. Take note that it's best just to put a little lubrication on the threads because they're stainless. It'll help with the installation. For these bolts, you can do one of two things. You can go through here, or you can go through back here. So now that this side's fully tightened, everything's aligned real nice and tight, we're just going to repeat the same thing on the next side. Then we can move on to the next step, which is simply just placing the bridge in place and inserting the screws. So we're simply, after this side's in and that side's in, it's all squared away, we're simply just going to reinstall this. Don't forget about installing this wire here. I'm going to do that first. And then I'm going to slide this boot back over our parking brake where it needs to go. Make sure this goes where it needs to go. Simply just follow the process backwards. Make sure everything's clipping in real nice and lining up. So now that you have your center consoles installed, if you had the option to buy the bridge, which is completely optional, all you have to do is get the supplied bolts and bolt them onto the side rivet that's here. So the beauty about the whole system, including the bridge, is you could put CB radios on the side, you could put a gun holster on the side, you can do the same on the other side, as well as these spacings are for RAM mounts. So you could put your cell phone up here with the RAM mount, you could put your iPad up here, you can put various different things. There's bolts in the side. Your options are limitless. So this is available at ragofabrication.com. Follow us on our YouTube, Rago Fabrication, as well as our Instagram is Rago Fabrication. We have a Facebook group called the Rago Cool Kids. Go ahead and check us out there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.